Morning everyone. Came down late this morning. Got a phone message from Reg. So I raced down. Water's very upside down. But you know, Reggie likes fishing for his bream when it's like this. He's got a nice brusher, lovely brusher, and a bronzy in Granny's pool. Surfers are out there. They're having a great time. Just swing around a bit. There's Alex and Reggie. Now the sea's still upside down, but in Granny's in the white water, the brusher and that area. There's a surf on the wave. Oh no, it's going to be a great day. Thanks for paddling out. Speak to you later. Oh, wherever you are today, have a great day and tight lines, chaps. Enjoy.